Hi folks, how are you today? Hope everything is good. Today folks, we're going to do a piece on UPS carrier, cargo carrier. So here we start off with the Boeing 727-100 in its old livery. What an amazing plane. Up here guys, we've got United Parcel Service of UPS again in a Boeing 747-200. Alongside it we got the beautiful DC-863. Right, and alongside it we've got the Boeing 767-200 UPS. And over here folks, we've got the beautiful MD-11 aircraft in UPS. Also we've got the Boeing 727-100 in its new colour. We've got the Dash 800 747. It would be UPS's latest aviation plane in the sky. Up here we've got the beautiful Airbus A310 aircraft. And just here folks, we've got the Boeing 757-200 UPS Worldwide Cargo Services.